Earth-moving equipment is essentially required on large projects such as construction sites, airports, highways, canals, dams, and power stations. On a construction project, earth-moving jobs involve a variety of operations which include excavation of earth, loading. The excavated soil is loaded into the dumper, transportation for carrying the excavated material, dumping the soil, spreading the dumped soil, and compacting of earth by roller. The most commonly used earth-moving equipment are bulldozer, power shovel, scraper, dragline, clamshell, loader, grader, and dumper. We will first deal with the bulldozer. Bulldozer is a multi-purpose machine. It is one of the most important machines on a construction project. It is an efficient excavating tool for short haul operations and can be used as an auxiliary machine to other construction equipment. Bulldozer can perform number of operations such as opening up pilot roads through mountain and rocky terrain, clearing up construction sites of timber, bushes, stumps, and large boulders. Clearing debris from the construction site. spreading the dumped soil. And backfilling the trenches with excavated soil. Types of bulldozer: cable controlled and hydraulically controlled. Hydraulically controlled. An oil pump is mounted under the base of radiator guard, and hydraulic rams are used to raise the blade or lower it. In a cable-controlled bulldozer, a hoist is mounted on radiator guard and push arms are hinged to brackets bolted outside and to the bottom of blade. The blade is raised or lowered by means of a cable on hoist drum. Basic parts of bulldozer: crawler, blade, prime mover, fuel tank, and ram hoist. Crawler enables the movement of the bulldozer and is particularly useful for operating in marshy conditions. Blade is a massive structure having a rectangular base and back. It is mounted perpendicular to the direction of travel. It can be raised or lowered and can also be tilted on a vertical plane. Prime mover is essentially a diesel engine which is responsible for the movement of the bulldozer. Fuel tank contains diesel oil for fueling the diesel engine. Ram hoist is used for raising and lowering of blades when bulldozer is in operation. And can exert tremendous pressure on cutting edge of blades to facilitate excavation in hard soil, such as uprooting of the trees, bushes, etc. Controls. Controls are provided for the gear mechanism for varying the speed of bulldozer with the help of accelerator. Moving the bulldozer forward or backward depending upon requirements. Steering purposes. While steering for turning bulldozer, one of its track is jammed and the other is made to move to turn the bulldozer. Applying brakes to bring the bulldozer to a halt. Advantages: cable controlled bulldozer, simple to operate, easy to maintain, chances of damage are less as blade can move up or side over a rigid obstruction. Hydraulically controlled bulldozer exert greater down pressure on blade for hard operations. Maintain more precise setting on position of blade. Bulldozer works as a cyclic production machine, and each cycle of operation consists of digging, transporting, spreading and returning back to its original position. This cycle goes on till the job is completed. The bulldozer here explains the cycle of operations involving excavating of soil, transporting of excavated soil, spreading, and finally returning to its original position for the next cycle. The power shovel is an excavating cum loading device also called as dipper shovel. It is capable of excavating all classes of earth except solid rock without prior loosening. Uses. The power shovel can be used for a variety of operations such as digging of rock face, stripping of overburdened soil, digging cuts on road work, digging below grade or ground level for construction of trenches. A power shovel consists of two units, namely the travel unit, the revolving unit. Travel unit can be crawler mounted type or wheel mounted type. The travel unit is responsible for the movement of vehicles. The revolving unit. While the revolving unit is the upper part of the machine and houses the cabin with the power unit and the speed control. The cabin includes a power unit which controls the gear and brake mechanisms. The boom is a massive beam hinged to the deck at the boom foot, which extends diagonally upward. The dipper stick slides back and forth through the saddle block attached to the beam. Its lower end carries the dipper. It's a steel box open at the top and closed at the bottom with a hinged door. Its cutting edge enables penetration into earth. With the shovel in the correct position, that is near the face of earth to be excavated, the dipper is lowered to the bottom of the digging face. Prodding force is applied to the dipper till its teeth penetrate into the earth. Simultaneously, tension is applied to the hoist line to pull dipper up the digging face. When the dipper is full, it is retraced out of the face of the earth. The shovel is swung either to the left or to the right till the dipper is in a correct position for dumping. The door of dipper is opened and material is discharged into the heap or into the truck. The dipper is then swung back to its original position and lowered to the digging position, and the same process is repeated again. This power shovel explains the cyclic process consisting of digging, hoisting, dumping, and returning to the original position. This cycle goes on till job is completed.